Baling Farm fans. It's Friday, August 21st, and we're gonna go roll up some hay. But first, we gotta oil up the chains. Oh, tons of chains. And I always like to start with the inside chains first. So we're gonna hit the lever, door is gonna go up, and eventually the chain's gonna stop. There we go, we're most of the way up. Okay, door is up, and you know, safety first every once in a while. Grab our oil. Oh, that's annoying. Who left that little bit of hay in here? And go. Made it full loop. The biggest thing is we gotta watch our toes from getting all oily out here because there it splatters off. Make it full loop again. Oh yeah, more oil. Just used engine oil. Now the round baler is one of the things that always gets in the barn, no matter what. Round baler is top of the list. Keep the chains from rusting. Now it's not like a belt baler with a rubber. I mean, I'm sure it doesn't like the sun, but getting rained on won't hurt it. Okay, oil is coming all the way around on all of them. Now we get through the fun part, the web chain. Look at all those bars. Might as well throw some oil on that, because we can. That's not turning yet. Those are sealed bearings, those drive me nuts. Okay, door down. Ah. See, the safety worked, so that's good. That's what happens when you don't undo your safety, the door stays up. Okay, now we'll pull that lever. There comes the door, nice and fast. That crushed somebody. Climb up top. Here comes the oil again. Now this one is much harder to keep track of, so we just squirt, and eventually maybe we'll see something oily coming over that sprocket. If not, we'll just keep going, and we got plenty of used oil. I think we got that one. It looks pretty shiny coming across the other sprocket. Now this side's harder to climb up. But we have the handy dandy magnetic mount. And there comes the oil. You don't have to necessarily do the oil on the belt balers because the belts don't need anything. But when they stretch or break, that's a real pain. I mean, I guess the chains could break too. That'd be super annoying itself. I wonder if they make one of these guys in net wrap. That'd be my next move. I mean, the twine is nice, but for the barn situation or availability, I end up storing too many of these outside. I wonder if they'd make something like this guy in a net wrap version. I know, you know, all the new balers, you know, that's the thing. But this is, I'd say a 70s baler, well before net wrap was ever thought of. That didn't come around until 1980, probably closer to 1990 at least. So maybe there's something out there. I haven't looked much. This baler hasn't broken, hasn't left me sitting, so well, we've stuck with it. This is the third day of this baling party. We probably have 15, 16 rounds to make here. This is a field heavy in reed canary grass. I mean, we see some in the fence over there. Compare that to the tractor. You know, it was every bit of 5 feet tall out here. Yep. There's reed canary grass, there's me, and I'm, you know, about 6 foot tall. So we got some tonnage, got some volume out here. Nice and thick. When we get done here making the rounds, gotta make some squares. Probably just gonna double rake. It's thick. It's gonna be fun to get this underneath the front of the tractor. Of course, the wide windrows are kind of nice, like this, and it really fills up the baler, so I don't have to sit there and bob and weave. Don't have to drunk drive on this one. That's one thing I would like to do for the baler, or a baler that has Crowder wheels. So all you got to do is just rake a windrow that's kind of fat and wide, and then the baler will narrow it down in. That's what I like about square bales. It doesn't matter where the windrow is. Just go for it. We'll come around here. We'll drop our pickup down. We're ready to roll. Still got a partial bale in there from yesterday. I don't like leaving small bales. Oh, and we're only like, we got like 2 or 3 fields in the same little area all mowed. That's nice when it's all close. It's just, you know, a few acres here and there. No big deal. Little road time is fun. Short road trip. Okay, so we gotta get rolling here. We're in park. I don't need to give it too much fuel. Fires right up. Now, let's roll some bales. Tire